Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today we continue our yesterday lesson. We have learned about the body and the health. Today we will learn more. There is something I want to clarify about the yesterday lesson. So in yesterday lesson, I translated some wrong thing. Ashuru bi alami fi zahri. Zahri means back. In my bag. Yesterday I translated that I feel pain in my chest. So that is not chest. This is back. Ashuru bi alamin fi zahri. I feel backache. I feel backache or back pain. So here is also ala zahril maridi, on the back of the at back of patient. So the doctor placed the stethoscope at the back of the patient. So this is the correction. So you please you do practice. And today we continue our lesson. Al-Hiwaru, the conversation. This is a dialogue between the doctor and the patient. Tabibu bimaza tashuru. Bimaza tashuru. What did you feel? Bimaza tashuru. What did you feel? Hussein. Ashuru bi alamin fi ra'si. Ashuru, I feel bi alamin, headache. I feel pain. I feel pain fi ra'si, in my head. I feel pain in my head. Ra'si, my head. Maza fa'alta amsi. Maza, what you did. Maza, what you did. Fa'alta. Maza, what. Fa'alta, you did. Maza, what. Fa'alta, you did. Amsi, yesterday. Amsi, yesterday. Maza fa'alta amsi. What did you do yesterday? Asabanil mataru. Asabanil mataru. Asabanil means stuck in rain. Oh my God. Okay, sorry. So Asabanil matru. I stuck in or you can say I caught rain. I caught rain or I stuck in rain. Asabanil mataru, I stuck in rain or I caught rain. I caught by rain. Tabi, da'ani, let me. Da'ani, let me. Of haska, check up. Let me check you. Check you. Let me check you. Afasaka, check you. Let me check you. Ifta ainaika. Ifta ainaika, open your eyes. Ainaika, open your eyes. Hasanan, okay. Fine. Ifta famaka. Ifta famaka, open your mouth. Famaka, your mouth. Your mouth. Open your mouth. Ifta, open. Open your mouth. Hussein, ma'aziratan. Ma'aziratan, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Lam. Lam, I did not. Lam mean did not. Lam did not. Ma'aziratan, I'm sorry. Lam unazzifil asnana. I did not clean my teeth. So when the doctor says open your mouth, Hussein says, I'm sorry. Lam unazzifil asnana. I did not clean my teeth. La ba'sa. La ba'sa. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. So you can translate. Never mind. It's okay. La ba'sa bihi. It's okay. Ubsut yadaka. Ubsut means loosen your hands. Ubsut yadaka. Loose your hands. So you can translate relax your hand. Ubsut yadaka, loosen your hand or relax your hand. Hadirun mean I am present. Hadirun, I am present, I am ready. So you translate ready. Azzaqtu mu'tadilun. Azzaqtu mu'tadilun. Blood pressure. Blood pressure. Blood pressure is moderate. Mu'tadilun, moderate. The blood pressure is moderate. Innaka musabun bizuqamin. Innaka, you are. Innaka, you are. Musabun, suffering. You are suffering. You are suffering bizuqamin, flu. Innaka musabun bizuqamin. You are suffering flu or you have flu. So you can translate you have flu or you can translate you are suffering from flu. Alayka bil istirahati. Alayka bil istirahati. You have to take rest. You have to take rest. Alayka bil istirahati. You have to take rest. Tabibun. Tayyibun. Tayyibun mean okay. Tayyibun, okay. Jazakallahu khairan. May Allah reward you better with good. May Allah reward you with good. So in this lesson, do you have any trouble? Any of you feel any trouble? Raise hand. Okay. I think there is nothing. So we continue this lesson. So this is, we have to tell either this is correct or wrong. We have to say yes or we have to say